Hello, welcome the students. We shall start the next part of the plant, that is leaf. Means the leaf. About the leaf, leaf is the main part of the plant. You know that photosynthesis takes place in the leaf, means the food is synthesized in the leaf, and from that part the food is sent to all other parts of the leaf. So the leaf is a lateral appendages. It's come out laterally from the stem of plants. Second, it comes out from nodes. It comes out from nodes. Second, in the axil of the leaf, bud is developed. From which branches rise. Means this is a stem. This is the lateral parts. From here the leaf is developed, and this is the axial part from which a bud is developed, and this bud develops into branch. So, and due to presence of chlorophyll, it is green in color. Now, if we draw a picture of the leaf, this is a leaf. The part from where that part of the stem from where leaf arises, that is known as leaf base. It is the leaf base. यह लीफ बेस कहलाता है, जहाँ से पत्ती निकलती है. This part is called petiole. This part is called petiole, means dental, and that total parts is called leaf blade, lamina. Understand? And this, the topmost part, is called apex. This the side parts which you see, this one, this is called margin. The margin may be smooth or may be shred of several types. This margin may be of. Next one, here you see a veins. These are the veins, and this is the mid. So it is known as mid rib, and that's this is called vein, which supplies the water and minerals and to the plants and fruits to other parts. Means it takes part in the transportation of water, minerals and food. Next, in between the veins you will see a net-like structures. In between the veins you will see a net-like structure that is known as vein. That is the network-like structure, network of veins. So this is the part, and in some plants an outgrowth is found at the leaf base. In some plants the outgrowth is found on the लीफ बेस. कुछ पौधों के पत्तियों में उनके लीफ बेस पर एक्सटर्नल आउटग्रोथ पाया जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड stipules. Understand? So these are the, in some structures here is also external structure is found. So this is a stipule and this is a stipule, means which come out from the leaf base is called leaf base stipule, and which comes out from the lower points of the leaf blade is called stipule. So this is the structure of a leaf. So we can say that leaf has three parts. One is leaf base, second one petiole, and third one leaf blade. So there are three main parts. First leaf base and second petiole and third leaf. In some plant, if leaf petiole is absent, in some leaf petiole is absent, that is called sessile. If the petiole is present, that will be called petiolate, and if the petiole is absent, that will be called sessile. So it is a structure of the of a leaf, means contains three parts: leaf base, petiole, and leaf blade or lamina. And the leaf blades having the several parts: margin, veins, midrib, veinlets, like that. And this is the topmost, that is the apex. Now the types of leaves. Now the types of leaves. Leaves are of two types. One is simple leaf. Second is compound leaf. One is simple leaf and next one is compound leaf. The simple leaf is that if this is a leaf, this is the leaf. If the margin is or leaf blade is complete, or if there is incisor that is not reached to the mid rib, या तो उसका लीफ ब्लेड बिल्कुल कंप्लीट हो, या यदि कटाव भी हो तो वह मध्य तक या मिड तक नहीं, उससे अलग ही हो, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंपल लीफ. and if it is cut into, अब ये लीफ हुआ, अब ये कटाव, if there is incision and that completes to the if we cut and the cut incision is complete up to the midrib, that will called compound. जिसमें जो कटाव हो या इंसिशन हो वो अप टू तक मिडरिब यानी मध्य, and that time these parts will called leaflets. This part will called leaflets, as for examples in the neem or imli, like that in the Bhopal. And in the this type of leaf found in lemon or orange, and this is because the bifurcation or incision is up to the midrib, so it is a compound leaf, means the incision up to midrib, and if there is incision no, या तो इंसिशन उसमें नहीं होगा, या if there is incision it not reach the midrib, that is called simple. जैसा आम हो गया के पत्ती होती है मैंगो, and if the whole leaflet cuts into many smaller leaves, that is called leaflet, so that will call compound leaf. Now the compound leaf is of two types. One is pinnate compound leaf, next one is palmate compound leaf. If the leaflets are arranged on the both sides of the main rachis or main stem, main rachis, that is called pinnate, and if they are arises from the same points is the if they arises from the same point, that is known palmate. पाम यानी हथेली, यानी हथेली की जैसा जब हो, समझे, तो उसे क्या कहते हैं, पामेट कहते हैं. और जब ये इसको दोनों बगल निकला हुआ हो लिफलेट, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, पीनेट. ये नीम की पत्ती और ये सेमल की पत्तियों में ये पाया जाता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज venation. Now the next point is venation. Venation means arrangement of veins in the leaf. पत्तियों में जो veins की इन द लिप्स, पत्तियों में जो veins की व्यवस्था होती है उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, वेनेशन कहते हैं. You have seen the, suppose it is the leaf of mango or people, whatever may be, and there is a net-like structure in that. So these are the arrangement of veins in the leaf. And why you will see the leaf of banana, this is suppose leaf of mango, and this is a leaf of. You will see that the arrangement is somewhat different from each other. तुम देखते हो कि दोनों में veins की व्यवस्था कुछ अलग अलग होती है. That's why the venation in the plant is found of two types. One is reticulate and next one is parallel. One is reticulate like network, yes, and they are parallel to each other like this one. So it is those leaves in which the veins are found in net-like fashions that will called the reticulate, and if the veins are found parallel to each other, then it is called parallel. These are found in the mainly dicots, and this is found in mainly monocots. So the arrangement of veins, in which the veins are, how the veins are arranged in the leaves, and if they are in the net-like fashions, and that will call reticulate, and if it is found in the parallel to each other, that is parallel fashion. It is found in monocots, it is found in dicots, and here is example banana, here is example mango. Now venation we have studied, that is of two types, reticulate and parallel. Now next one is phyllotaxy. Now next one is phyllotaxy. It is a phil plus taxus. Phil means leaves, taxus means arrangement. We can say that arrangement of leaves on the stem or branches. Arrangement of leaves on the stem or branches is called phyllotaxy. Means in what way the leaves are arranged on stem, यानी तने पे या शाखाओं पे पत्तियां कैसे व्यवस्थित होती है, that is known as phyllotaxy. Understand? It is of three types. Alternate, opposite, and third all. So these are the three types. One is alternate, next one is opposite, and third one is all. Now the phyllotaxy. That is arrangement of leaves. Three types. One is alternate, opposite, all. So these are the three types of the phyllotaxy. Now we see first what is alternate type of phyllotaxy. Alternate, the leaves are found one upon one this side, one this side, one this. In that way, this is called alternate type of phyllotaxy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the alternate way, the leaves are found on the leaf in alternate way. Means leaves on the stem are found in the alternate way. That is known as alternate phyllotaxy. I mean, in the China rose, in the mustard, you see. Opposite, the leaves are found in opposite to each other. This part means tops on that side, this one. So this is opposite. The opposite, when leaves from the stems come out opposite to each other. जब एक दूसरे के opposite side में लीफ निकलते हो तो उसको हमें क्या कहेंगे? Opposite disgusted. Opposite type of phyllotaxy. Opposite type of phyllotaxy is of two types. One is opposite superposed, and next one is opposite decussate. Opposite दो टाइप के होते हैं, one is superposed and one is opposite decussate. Opposite superposed, जब leaf जो है it comes on this way, means just opposite to each other in the same line. जब सेम लाइन में ये एक दूसरे पर निकलते हो, जैसे गुआभा में एग्जाम्पल्स, जब एक ही तरफ से दोनों साइड से निकलते हो तो दैट विल कॉल ऑपोजिट सुपरपोज्ड. ऑपोजिट. और जब when the leaves arise at an angle of 90 to other leaves. जब ये जो एक दूसरे के 90 एंगल पर निकलते हो तो दैट विल कॉल्ड ऑपोजिट डिकसेट. मीन्स well, this is the stem. Now this one leaf in that side and opposite one is that. यहाँ से निकलेंगे मीन्स एक दूसरे का 90 एंगल पर, यानी सपोज और ये स्टेम है समझे, तो एक ऐसे निकलेगा, एक ऐसे निकलेगा, एक ऐसे निकलेगा और दूसरा इस साइड से निकलेगा और ये इस साइड से निकलेगा. मैंने ये दोनों एक यहाँ से निकले, एक यहाँ से निकले और ये एक इधर से निकला, एक इधर से, यानी ये दूसरे के 90 पर है ये दूसरे. तो इस तरह की व्यवस्था को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? ऑपोजिट डिकसेट. मीन्स which leaves arises as at the angle of 90. Example, calotropis. So this is the opposite types. Next one, the leaves are found in a cyclic way. एक ही जगह से कई पत्तियां निकलती हो, एक पत्ता है वहां से कई पत्तियां जो है निकलती हो, so that is found in the cyclic way and that is called fall. So we say that alternate, एक समझे, एक के बाद एक निकले, समझे, जहां एक दूसरे का ऑपोजिट निकले और जहां एक साइक्लिक वे पर निकले, तो दैट इज नोन एज phyllotaxy. So there are three types of phyllotaxy. So the phyllotaxy alternate opposite horns. This is alternate one by one. This is opposite to each other, and this is the cyclic. I mean the cyclic horn. Example, Anastonia. In the opposite, GABA and Calotropis. In that, mustard, China rose, whatever you like. Now the next one is modification of leaves. Modification of leaves. You know that leaf is the main parts of the plant. It contains chlorophyll, and so the photosynthesis takes place in that part, and due to photosynthesis the food or glucose is formed, which is transported to all other parts of the. Now in some plants the leaves become fleshy as a cactus, you see. In some it changes into tendril, which helps in the tendril for climbing. In some like pea plants change into tendril, and in the cactus it helps in it changes into spines, and in the pitcher plant it forms a pitcher that is in the Nepenthes khasiana to catch the insects. They are insectivorous plant. So they modified in the different forms, some for performing other functions in addition to photosynthesis.